Step into paradise and discover your dream home in this stunning newly built luxury residence in the private section of Parque Real, inside the exclusive community of Real del Mar. You'll enjoy the flexible space. As you enter the home, there's a versatile room perfect for an office or bedroom and comes complete with its own full bathroom. The large custom-made entry door will set the tone as you enter this home. It features a large gourmet kitchen and elegant dining room area. The elegant dining room area is perfect for family gatherings, or you can mosey up to the rooftop terrace where you can take in beautiful sunset views or the view of the surrounding area. Creates the perfect outdoor oasis with a barbecue grill and half bathroom that makes this rooftop area perfect for entertaining. The reliability of this home is unmatchable with its 5,000-liter cistern, which ensures uninterrupted water supply. This energy-efficient home also offers 8 solar panels to keep your energy costs down. On the second floor is a cozy TV room for relaxation and entertainment. Also the master bedroom, which features a spacious retreat and large walk-in closet. On the second floor, along with the expansive master bedroom, you'll find 2 additional bedrooms for a total of 3 upstairs bedrooms and 1 downstairs versatile utility room for a total of 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms in this gorgeous home. Don't miss this opportunity. Contact us today to schedule a private viewing and make this luxurious residence yours.